Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
In the Middle Ages, cough treatment was a blend of herbal remedies, superstitions, and practices grounded in the humoral theory. Common treatments included herbal concoctions made from ingredients like honey, aniseed, and licorice. People also relied on rituals and prayers, reflecting the period's deep intertwining of medicine with religion. The use of these substances was based on their perceived qualities to balance the body's humors, which were thought to be the root cause of illness.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.